Welcome. Today's video is going to be an introduction into AdLister's Master and Slave feature. The Master and Slave feature is a feature that allows you to send data from one AdLister store to another by having one store set up as a master and the other store as a slave. This feature is a paid module on top of the standard AdLister license, and once activated, you will have to log into your master AdLister account. Firstly, you must have two AdLister accounts in order to be able to use this feature. You can set one of your accounts as a primary account, then set your secondary account as a slave. You can do this by going to Settings, Application Settings, and Customer Settings. However, please keep in mind that you probably won't be able to see these options until you purchase the plugin and it's installed on your AdLister account. Once on your master AdLister account, navigate to the Products section and select the products you would want to push to your slave account. Go to the Product Actions dropdown and select the Update Slave Product option. This will open up a pop-up asking you what details you want to update to your slave account, and then press Update. On your slave account, when you log in and navigate to the Settings, Application Settings, and Customer Settings, there you will see the option to adjust the settings for the slave account by specifying if the data has to be copied over to the slave account or be replaced on the slave account. That about covers how the Master and Slave feature works on AdLister. I hope this video was informative in giving you some insight into this feature. If you're interested in AdLister and all its features, feel free to go over our library of videos, visit our websites in the links below, and also don't forget to like the video if you found it useful and subscribe to our channel if you want to stay up to date with future videos. Thank you for watching.